our YouTube channel at no additional cost to yourself. Simply change your Amazon bookmark to one with our affiliate code or use our affiliate code next time you go to make an Amazon purchase. Link to the affiliate code will be in the description below, along with a link to a video explaining more about the process.
Alright guys, we are back after that nice little 2-inch incision on the tip of my finger from my heatsink. Takes a real freaking nerd to find a way to cut their self on a PC. Pretty soon, if I was a popular YouTuber, which of course I'm not, you'd see like a hashtag like cut for Paul on Twitter. Anyway, let's get back to the build. Alright guys, looks like the motherboard is screwed in there. So now we are going to then put in the graphics card and the Elgato into our system here. Actually, let's go ahead and... never mind on that one. Just kidding. Like I said, let's go ahead and throw in the graphics card and Elgato. Alright, so we are going to install the Elgato near the bottom and our graphics card on the top one. So let's go ahead and get this done. Alright guys, so the graphics card and the Elgato are snugly in there. So now I have decided that we are going to pretty much put all the hard drives underneath and behind. Kind of clear up some room in the front of the cage is basically my plan. So we are essentially going to be removing... This is what I like about the modularness of this whole MasterCase Pro 5 is I am now removing 3 hard drive bays all at one time. Alright, so I thought that screw was one of the kind that can't even come out of the socket, but apparently I was wrong. Anyway, that is that right there. Got that removed. So now that leaves us with putting in the hard drive down on the bottom on our little sled here. Not very difficult. It just will take, let's see here, that, and let me just put one little screw in there. Okay guys, perfect. Now we have our hard drive installed right here in the basement. Now we are going to go right after the power supply. Figured why not, might as well. Let's just kind of go for it and see what happens, I guess. So we're going to just unscrew this and slide it right in. I was hoping it was going to be small enough to fit in there, so I don't have to try and feed all these cables through, but I guess that's what we'll have to do. Shout out for me for being an idiot last year and not getting myself a fancy schmancy, what do you call it? Hard drive, modular, that's what it is. Modular power supply, did not get one. Alright, so that is the power supply, guys. Now I just am going to feed these cables in here to at least keep them out of the way until we can cable manage this bad boy. So we're just going to shove those, like I said, right in there. And then, actually while we are here, we are going to take this out actually, because I will not be using this on that side at least. And so, let's see. Wow, one more thing. We are going to slide in this bad boy. So we are going to remove that. We are going to We are going in the wrong way, guys, merely because I should have put that in first, but, well, I'm an idiot. I think it normally goes in the other way, but I'm an idiot. Most people, this is a rough one, guys. This is a rough build. Anyway, I probably should have put this in before I put the motherboard in so the heatsink was not in my way. But anyway, we're good. It's in there. Who cares? Now we're basically just going to hook that up later once we go to cable manage everything. So the last two things that we're going to put in here are these two hard drives. This is actually a laptop hard drive, believe it or not, and that is my normal SSD. So to do that, we are going to need to flip the case up and install them on the back so they are hidden. Kind of just going with the theme here of hiding the unnecessary parts. How I put the hard drive underneath, there are two slots on the back for which one is able to mount the two SSD rails. And we're going to utilize those bad boys today, guys. Let's go ahead and put those in. Alright guys, so that hard drive is successfully installed. We're going to go ahead and throw the other one. Actually, no, we're not going to put that one in, my bad. So the first thing we're going to start by doing is hooking in the power supply. With this part, we are just going to be feeding it essentially through the grommet that it needs to go through, and then we'll plug it in when we flip it around. Alright guys, so let's flip this around and cable manage the back side, or the front side. Alright guys, so that looks like it cable managed that side. Then let's pull them back through the front and finish it up. great. Well, that certainly is not going to win the Cable Management of the Year award. But hey, from the front, I'm sure it looks great. Let's take a final look at the front of the build here. Oh my God. How is she looking? That's pretty good to me, guys. I will certainly take that, actually. Now I gotta kind of remove this cable somehow. But I will be changing these fans out, so I guess I'll plug these fans in just for the fact that so it doesn't overheat overnight, I guess. So we'll have to render a video out tonight. So yeah, I guess we'll need to plug these fans in. Well guys, that has been this kind of PC transformation, going from one PC to another. I know it probably wasn't the simply cleanest one. A lot of dust, a lot of parts just flying everywhere at this point really. But hey, the finished product is all that matters when it really comes down to it. And I actually am very proud of how this thing turned out. I mean, it looks pretty freaking dope if you ask me. And I see no reason as to why it shouldn't boot. So I'm not going to really show you guys that in this video. Anyway, feel free to leave a like on this video. 32 gigs of RAM is going to help. And yeah, I'm just super excited because this thing is going to look great. Especially, I'm going to add an additional touch by the time this week is over. So stay tuned for that. But this was just probably one of the bigger things that the setup's going to change. The next biggest thing that's actually kind of close in size to this one is going to be tomorrow's video. So feel free to check that one out, guys. Stay subscribed for that, like this video, and stay tuned for the rest of the setup for the week. This has been Paul from Paul Does Tech, my first kind of like a PC build type of thing. I hope it turns out nice for you guys. I know it probably wasn't the best looking thing, probably because I'm a one-man show and it's hard to build a PC and make sure the camera angle is right. That, and I don't have a nice little studio around here. So that means we just have parts scattered everywhere, and that's what that turned into real fast. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay subscribed for more content. Don't forget to use that Amazon affiliate code if you want to buy this thing, the link in the description below. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Get fresh off the grill, get fresh off the grill, nigga, keeping it hot. Get fresh off the grill, get fresh off the grill. Yeah, I'm bouncing the hopper, nigga, you can't stop me.